Mortgage rates climb above 6% for the first time since 2008. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. If you are asking the question, why is the market selling off? Make sure that you understand market news and market sentiment, and there is fear being injected into the market. The overall VIX isn't actually doing that bad. If anything, it's actually coming on down. So if this thing begins to come on down, then that's actually some hope or some form of I would almost say like opportunity for the actual market to begin to recover. But what caused it? I mean, the market was doing just fine, and then right around 1 hour or about 40 minutes after the market opened, we saw this aggressive sell-off. Where did all this selling pressure come in? Look it up. You guys can see that everyone's talking about it right now. Right now, mortgage rates are at the highest point that they've ever been since 2008. This is not good. This is not good for the real estate market. This is not good for the overall economy. This is not good for overall market. So the market is reacting to that news. It's that simple. There's also a list of different reports that were released earlier today. We talked about it within my live trading session with my Learn Plan Profit Group. Friendly reminder, I trade live every single morning with my LPP team. If you think that it would be of value for you every morning at market open, not once a week, not once a month, but every single freaking day. I show up. If you want to tune on in, again, I trade live every day, exclusive with my Learn Plan Profit Group. If you want to learn more about it and join my team, that's that second link in the description of this video. But we have a bunch of different reports that were released today, and one of the major reports actually came in worse than expected, and that was retail sales on the X Auto. So overall market sentiment, I was actually surprised that we gapped up a little bit, but I'm very glad that not only did I talk about it in today's live trading session, but I made sure that I commented on it yesterday. A lot of people thought, because of yesterday's performance, that, oh, the market's beginning to show signs of a support. This is a time to go all in and prepare for, or go in expecting the market to recover. No, I'm preparing for the market to recover, but I'm not going to be blind and think that just because the market had a small green day, that we're going to recover what we experienced on Tuesday. I mean, this pullback that we experienced on Tuesday is so significant. I don't think people really understand it. CPI data report, first off, is super significant. On top of that, the NASDAQ market sold off more on Tuesday than it ever has this year so far. That is significant. You can't just think that we're going to naturally recover from this in a couple of days. That is so naive for people to think. There's nothing wrong with preparing for a market to recover, but to expect it to recover without even confirmation is trading blind. It's a hopeful trader. And even during my live trading session, we were waiting for the break above 297. We're waiting for higher highs. We're waiting for indication of it doing something that it hasn't done as of yesterday. All I was waiting for, I was about to average up. I was about to step on the gas if we broke above. But guess what? I'm very thankful that I never did, because we got rejected, we sold off, and now we're testing a new support at 290 for the NASDAQ market. Again, I cannot repeat this enough. If you are trying to make money right now as a day trader and you're asking the question, is now the best time to day trade? No, market direction is simply not in your favor. But if you're an investor or a swing trader, someone that doesn't intend to try to make money now, but in the future, right? Is now a good time to prepare to swing trade or to invest? I think now is a perfect time when there's so much uncertainty, when the idea of risk is so high. Of course, you buy during uncertain times in preparation for when the market does recover, that you can simply tolerate the time that it will take for the market to recover. That's it. And that is why I decided to buy the dip with a portion of my position, but I'm not fully invested. I'm not naive to think that it's going to happen anytime soon. And I know that it can get worse before it gets better. As long as you understand your intention and you understand the current market sentiment, I think that you should be on good hands. It's very simple. Don't overcomplicate your trading. If you're trying to make money right now, ask yourself, is market direction in your favor? For anyone trying to go long on the market, it just doesn't make sense. Market sentiment, market direction is not in your favor. News is not in your favor. Don't sell it to yourself. I mean, I'm long and I'm telling you not to sell it to yourself. With that being said, if you're someone that's trying to make money right now, it makes more sense to be a bear right now. But I know some people don't like to short. Some people don't like to be bearish on the market, and that's fine. Stay cash, stay patient, set alerts, prepare, have a plan of action. That is the best thing that you can do during a down market. So when the market begins to indicate signs of a reversal and you get that confirmation, then you at least have a plan of action and you can follow up with proper execution. The worst thing that you can do is hoping that the market recovers, going all in, it goes south, you cut losses, and then when the market does recover, you're so defeated that you don't even do anything. I know I've been there. And this is why I'm sharing it with you, because I don't want you to make the same mistake that I've made. Stay patient, stay disciplined, set those alerts, and create that plan of action. I'm super excited to follow up. Tomorrow we do have 2 reports, and this is consumer sentiment. This one is pretty important, and that's going to be 30 minutes after the market opens tomorrow. So if you guys have any questions, I hope that you guys know that you can always direct message me via Discord, and that's that first link down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. If you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, that's that second link down below. And also, I actually forgot to show you guys. We did come out with a new t-shirt. It's probably one of my favorite tees. It's the oversized Wall Street tee. Tell me this is not a dope t-shirt. Again, this is all available at shoptechbuds.com. And it also automatically enters you towards our staycation giveaway, which is an all-inclusive paid trading trip by me. And again, I'm going to be selecting 3 winners for this 3-day staycation. For every $1 you spend, it equals 5 automatic entries. And this is at shoptechbuds.com or the 4th link in the description of this video. Again, this is our LPP team, second link down below. A to Z video lesson library, daily live trading session, private group chat, and access to the HQ. One-time payment, lifetime access, and it's $100 off right now. Second link in the description. If you guys want to use the same trading platform that I do, again, learn a little bit more about it. It's the Webull trading app. You get 12 free stocks by using my link, and that's that 5th link in the description. I hope that it earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.